Hello friends, this is Mahesh Bharadwaj. Once again I come with a new video. That video is the continuation with the solid states chapter 1 class 12th. We already discussed in the previous class about the few basic concepts about the solid state. Chapter first, what are solids, what are amorphous, what are crystalline. Now we will discuss today's topic is unit cell. What is unit cell? Unit cell is the smallest geometrical portion of the crystal lattice which can be used as a repetitive unit to build up the whole crystal is called unit cell. So in a crystal, the smallest unit which is repeat itself will give rise the whole crystal is known as unit cell. The type of unit cell we will discuss here. The type of unit cells are, first of all, we will discuss the simple or primitive unit cell in which the particles are present at the corners only. Here we can see the unit cell which is primitive type. In this primitive type of unit cell, the atoms are present at the corners. Here are 8 corners and atoms are present at the corners only. So this is a primitive type of unit cell, or we can say it is a simple unit cell. Now here we will discuss the second type of unit cell. This second type of unit cell is known as face-centered unit cell, in which the particles are present at the corner as well as at the center of 6 faces. So here are atoms which are present at the corners. These are the atoms which are present at the corners as well as 6 faces. These are the 4 faces and front and backward, the back side. This is the 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 corners, 4 walls of the room, and first one is the roof and second one is the bottom or floor of the room. So it is containing the 6 atoms. It will contain the 6 atoms which are present at the 6 faces. 8 corners, 8 atoms at the corner and 6 atoms at the faces. So such kind of unit cell are known as face-centered unit cell. Such kind of unit cell are known as face-centered unit cell. Here we will discuss another type of unit cell. The another type of unit cell is body-centered unit cell. In body-centered unit cell, the atoms are present at the corner as well as inside the body. Inside the body means if you are consider a room as a unit cell, then if you are sitting at exactly center of the room, you are act as a body center. So this is the body centered atom, and 8 atoms are present in the corners. So these are the 8 atoms which are present in the corner, and this is the body centered atom. This is the body centered atom. Here we will discuss another type, that is end-centered unit cell, in which the particles are present at the corner as well as at the center of 2 opposite faces. Here the atoms are present at the corner, and these are the 2 atoms which are present at the opposite face. So here are the atoms which are present 2 opposite faces. So if the 2 atoms are present in 2 opposite faces in a unit cell, that type of unit cell are known as end-centered unit cell. Now here we will discuss next slide we will discuss, that is the number of particles per unit cell. We already discussed majorly 4 type of unit cell. These are the 4 type of the unit cells. First is simple unit cell, in which we studied the atoms are present at the corners. So if you see, if you take a ball, if you cut it vertically, horizontally as well as transversely, then you will obtain 8 pieces. You are obtain 8 pieces. Just like apple apple is having such 4 pieces. If you cut it from here, then it is the 8th piece. So similarly, every atom which is present at the corner is always gives 1/8 part to the unit cell. And there are 8 corners. You already know there are 8 corners in a unit cell. These are the 8 corners. You can easily find 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 corners. 8 corners, and corner will contributed 1/8 part to the in a unit simple unit cell. We cut 8 from 8 and we will obtain total number of atoms present at the simple unit cell is 1. In case of face centered, atoms are present at the corner as well as faces. Okay? In a faces, the atom will contribute 1/2 of its part to the unit cell. 8 atoms are present at the 8 corner, so 8 into 8, 8 into 1/8 will gives you 1. 6 into 1/2 it will gives you 3. 1 plus 3 will gives you 4. It will consist total 4 atoms. Similarly, in case of body center, atoms are present at the corner. It will gives you 1. And atom which is present inside the body is not contributed by any other unit cell, so we will taken it as a 1. So total number of atom in body center is 1 plus 1, that is 2. That is 2. In end center, the atoms are present at the corner, so it will gives you 1, and 2 atoms are present at the 2 opposite faces, so it will also gives you 1. 1 plus 1, here are total number of atoms are 2. So you are able to find out that the simple unit cell will consist of 1 atom, whereas face center will consist of 4 atoms, body center will consist of 2 atoms, and end center will consist of 2 atoms. So here you can easily find out that in case of corner, here we will discuss at the corner, this is the 1/8 part of the atom. 1/8 part, 1/8 part, 1/8 part, 1/8 part, 1/8 part, 1/8 part. And similarly, these are the 8 1/8 part, and it will gives you 1 atom. Similarly, in case of body center, the atom which is present inside, is do not contributed by any other unit cell, so it is taken as 1. Whereas atoms which is present at the corner are as a 1/8 part, So total number of atoms in body center is how many? 2. How many? This is 2. In case of face center, you can easily see this is the face in which half of the atom are present, and this is the 1/8 part, and this is also 1/8 part, this is also 1/8 part, and this is also 1/8 part. So atoms are present at the corner are contributed 1. They are contributed 1, and atoms which is present at the 6 faces are contributed 3. So total number of atoms are 4, contributed by face center. So how many atoms are present in simple unit cell? In simple unit cell there are 1 unit cell is present, whereas in case of face center it is 4, in case of body center it is 2, and in case of end center it is also 2. Here we will discuss, these are the simple unit cell, so these are the 8 atoms. You can easily find out that there are 8 atoms, 4 these are orange color and 4 are from red color. These are the face center in which 4 blue, these are 4 red, and which is also consist of these 4 atoms which is present in the face, and this one is for the front face and this for the back face. So there are total number of atoms are 4. In case this is 1, this is body center, this is body center. In body center you find out this red atom which is act as a body centered, so it is contributed 1, and 8 atoms are present which will gives you 1/8 part. So total number of atoms are 2. So there are total number of atoms are 2. Whenever we classify a unit cell, we can classify into 3 parameters. These are the 3 parameters. First is crystallographic axis, axial length, and axial angle. So these are the crystallographic axis. These are the crystallographic axis. These are axial angle, and this ABC is denoted as axial length. So these are the three parameters by which you can classify a unit cell. On the basis of three parameters, we can find the 7 type of primitive unit cell. These are known as Bravais lattice. 7 type of lattice. These 7 type of lattice are triclinic, monoclinical, orthorhombic, trigonal, tetragonal, cubic, trigonal, and hexagonal. So this 7 type of crystal system will total gives you total 14 type of crystal system. So these 14 type of crystal are known as Bravais lattice. Hope you are able. I hope you are able to understand this topic. So thanks a lot, friend. For more video, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.